Hello, my name is Joshua Lisbon and I'm the Education and Community Outreach Manager here at MPG Ranch. At MPG, our mission is to promote conservation through restoration, research, education, and information sharing. MPG Ranch is located in the Bitterroot Valley between Lolo and Florence on the east side of the Bitterroot, as you can see behind me here. MPG is privately owned, managed for conservation, and is over 15,000 acres. This southern property of MPG Ranch began in 2009. The owner is Paul Gurnis, and our general manager is Philip Ramsey. And together they dreamed up MPG Ranch in its current incarnation. MPG is over 15,000 acres of river bottom, riparian area, grassland, sagebrush steppe, and forested higher country. It's a unique arrangement of ecosystems and provides excellent topography for wildlife and wildlife corridors. At MPG Ranch, we are studying everything from the soil microbes and how they interact to contribute to species competitiveness, all the way up through the trees and the shrubs and the pollinators, the bears, the mountain lions, the raptors, the songbirds, the elk, the deer. We're interested in seeing how all the parts of this landscape work together to try to increase biodiversity on the property and to take MPG from being land that has seen a lot of impact from human activities of agriculture, timber work, cattle, and try to transition the land over to as native as possible, as healthy as possible, and as functional as possible ecosystems. Our conservation goals are the description of ecological roles of species, to develop strategies to decrease invasive species, to improve land restoration practices, support and train conservationists, and to inventory flora and fauna present on the ranch. The Bitterroot Valley is the traditional homeland of the Bitterroot Salish people, but in 1880, David McClay came and homesteaded here, began running sheep and cattle, and was very successful. His family owned this land up until it was with Bob and Jim Schrader until 2007 when they sold the property. MPG picked it up in 2009, and since then it's been privately owned and managed for conservation. We have increased the size of the property through various land purchases, and presently we sit at just over 15,000 acres. Here at the ranch, collaboration is a large part of what we do. From working with neighboring landowners to make our shared border fencing wildlife friendly, to working with other local agencies to provide either educational opportunities or contribute to scientific research. So from the education and outreach side, we bring a number of different groups to the ranch. We're focusing heavily on curriculum and curriculum development presently, but we bring school-aged groups down, university groups down, retirees from the local community, volunteers from the local community. We serve all ages here, and so we provide opportunities for really everyone. And what I'm interested in doing is trying to connect our community, our schools, our university with the work that's taking place here on the ranch. And whatever I can do to have people come to either contribute to a research project or learn from a research project or have it tie into curriculum that they're already working on in school or to offer them the curriculum that we're developing. One of our longtime research partners is Raptor Research Institute. This is run by Rob and Adam. They're the lead researchers on the projects here. And they're the ones who will be talking with you about the Winter Migratory Eagle project. And this has been a project that's taken place on the ranch for a number of years. It's a very exciting project. It gives us the opportunity to really look into the individual lives of migratory golden and now bald eagles. MPG Ranch is just a really unique place. What we're able to do here in terms of research, collaboration, education, it's unlike anywhere else. And it's uniquely beautiful. I've been here 6 years. I never get tired of this. I'm in awe every day I come to work. It's a remarkable place with really wonderful people to collaborate with, and it is just stunning here. So I appreciate your willingness to join us and come be a part of MPG.